Are you tired of struggling to fit all your belongings into your suitcase? Learn the secrets of packing like a pro and discover the ultimate debate: rolling versus folding your clothes. In this video, we'll dive into the pros and cons of each method, sharing expert tips and tricks to maximize your luggage space. From compressing clothes to minimizing wrinkles, we'll help you become a packing master. So which technique will reign supreme? Watch to find out and take your packing game to the next level. The carry-on challenge. Why it's worth it. Traveling with just a carry-on bag can feel like a daunting task, but it's a travel game changer. Not only does it save you money on those pesky checked baggage fees, but it also makes your journey a whole lot smoother. Imagine breezing through airports without standing in endless baggage claim queues or lugging a massive suitcase through cobblestone streets. Plus, airlines are notorious for misplacing luggage. Why risk starting your dream trip without your belongings? With a carry-on, your essentials stay with you at all times. And let's not forget mobility. Whether you're hopping on a crowded train in Tokyo or navigating the narrow alleyways of Venice, a compact bag keeps you light on your feet. Beyond convenience, traveling light encourages a more minimalist lifestyle. It pushes you to pack smarter and focus on what truly matters, leaving behind the just-in-case clutter. The carry-on challenge isn't just practical, it's an empowering way to embrace the freedom of travel without being weighed down by excess baggage. Rolling versus folding. The great debate. When it comes to packing, the question of whether to roll or fold your clothes has sparked debates among travelers for decades. Folding is often seen as the classic approach. It's how most of us were taught to organize our clothes. It works well for certain items, like shirts, dresses, and trousers, especially if you're packing for a business trip or formal event. The structure of folded clothes keeps them neat and presentable, which is essential for maintaining a polished look. However, folding has its downsides. Layers of folded clothes tend to trap air, leading to wasted space in your luggage. On the other hand, rolling clothes has become a favorite among travel enthusiasts and backpackers. Rolling compresses fabric, allowing you to maximize every inch of your carry-on. It's particularly effective for casual wear, like t-shirts, jeans, and activewear. Rolled clothes are less likely to crease and make it easier to see what's inside your bag at a glance. Some travelers even swear by the army roll technique, which involves tightly rolling and securing items to save even more space. But rolling isn't perfect. Thicker fabrics like sweaters or jackets can become bulky when rolled, and delicate items might still wrinkle. Ultimately, the choice between rolling and folding depends on your packing priorities, the type of clothes you're bringing, and your personal travel style. Folding, the traditional approach. Folding has stood the test of time for a reason. It's straightforward, easy, and works well for many types of clothing. If you're packing formal wear, folding is your best bet. A crisp dress shirt, for instance, needs to retain its structure to avoid looking sloppy when you pull it out of your bag. Dresses, skirts, and tailored pants also benefit from folding, as it prevents them from bunching up or creasing awkwardly. Additionally, folded clothes can be stacked neatly in your suitcase, making it easier to locate specific items without disturbing everything else. However, folding has some significant drawbacks. It doesn't make the most efficient use of space, as the air trap between folded layers can quickly eat up your carry-on's limited capacity. Wrinkles are another common issue, especially with fabrics like linen and cotton. If you do choose to fold, consider using plastic dry cleaner bags between layers to reduce friction and keep creases at bay. Packing cubes can also help keep folded clothes organized and compressed. While folding is a classic technique, it may not always be the most practical choice for long-term travelers or those aiming to pack light. Rolling, the space-saving technique. Rolling your clothes is a game-changer for travelers looking to optimize their luggage space. This technique involves tightly rolling each item into a compact cylinder, squeezing out excess air, and making room for more essentials. It's especially useful for soft fabrics, like t-shirts, leggings, and even lightweight jackets. The beauty of rolling lies in its ability to minimize wrinkles. Rolled clothes don't have sharp creases like folded ones, which is a huge win if you don't have access to an iron on the road. Another perk is the organization it offers. Instead of rummaging through stacks of folded clothes, rolled items can be lined up side by side, making it easy to see everything at a glance. For the ultimate space saver, combine rolling with packing cubes or vacuum-sealed bags to compress your items even further. However, rolling isn't without its challenges. Thick fabrics, such as denim or wool, can take up more room when rolled, and items like button-up shirts or formal wear may not retain their shape as well. To counter this, some travelers adopt a hybrid approach, rolling casual clothes and folding structured garments. With a bit of practice, rolling can transform the way you pack, helping you fit everything you need into a carry-on without sacrificing style or comfort. Expert insights and tips. If you want to take your packing skills to the next level, it's worth exploring some expert-approved techniques. Packing cubes are a traveler's best friend, especially when you're working with limited space. These lightweight organizers not only compress your clothes, but also keep your suitcase tidy and easy to navigate. Another clever trick is bundle wrapping, where you wrap smaller items around a central core, such as a pair of shoes or a toiletry bag. This method minimizes creases and saves space, making it perfect for business trips or extended travel. When it comes to fabrics, choose wisely. Wrinkle-resistant materials like polyester, spandex, and nylon are ideal for rolled clothes, while natural fibers like cotton and linen are better suited for folding. And don't forget about accessories. Scarves, belts, and hats can add versatility to your wardrobe without taking up much room. As for shoes, stick to the rule of two. One pair of comfortable walking shoes and one pair of versatile dress shoes. To maximize space, stuff smaller items like socks or underwear into your shoes. Finally, always keep your essentials passport, wallet, phone charger, and a change of clothes in an easily accessible compartment, just in case you need them in a pinch. The verdict: a hybrid approach. The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to packing. The best strategy often involves a mix of rolling and folding, tailored to your specific needs. Roll casual wear, workout clothes, and anything made from wrinkle-resistant fabrics to save space and keep your luggage organized. Fold formal wear, structured garments, and delicate items to preserve their shape and avoid creases. For added efficiency, use packing cubes to separate rolled and folded items, keeping your suitcase neat and functional. The hybrid approach offers the best of both worlds, allowing you to pack smart and travel light without compromising on comfort or style. By mastering this technique, you'll not only become a more efficient packer, but also gain the confidence to tackle any trip with ease. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or a month-long world tour, the hybrid method will ensure you're ready for anything. Beyond rolling and folding, additional packing hacks. Packing light is about more than just how you organize your clothes, it's also about making strategic choices. Start by planning a versatile wardrobe with pieces that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Neutral colors and lightweight fabrics work best for this. When it comes to toiletries, opt for travel-sized bottles or solid alternatives like shampoo bars and toothpaste tablets to save space and comply with airport liquid restrictions. To reduce bulk, wear your heaviest items like boots, jackets, or sweaters during transit. For tech gear, consider investing in compact travel chargers and multi-purpose adapters. Don't underestimate the power of a well-packed carry-on. It can make or break your trip. By combining rolling, folding, and smart packing hacks, you'll not only fit all your essentials into a carry-on, but also enjoy the freedom and flexibility that comes with traveling light. And that's a wrap on mastering the art of packing. If you found these tips helpful and you're ready to revolutionize your travel game, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button for more travel hacks. Share this with your fellow adventurers, and let's make every trip lighter, smoother, and stress-free. Happy travels!